Say good morning to them, baby. Good morning. Say good morning to them. Good morning po, everyone. Good morning, Shats. Say hi to Shats. Ayaw niya. Maliligo na po kami. Ay, just wait lang. We'll take a video first. Oh, ligo na po yung baby namin. It's too hot in the Philippines, right? Oh, let's see. Mommy will put water. What's that? Water. See? Don't be cranky, baby. Well, we'll take a shower because... Oh. Wait na. Hindi na natin kaya to. Yuko ka naman. Yuko naman ikaw. Yuko naman ikaw. Hmm? Huh? Kulot na buhok mo, baby, kulot. Say hello. Say hello po. What happened to us? Why it's blurry? Wait, let me clean. It's blurry. Sorry. Magdididi na po kami. Mag-ano muna kami, magpumula muna kami kasi masakit na yung suso ko, baby. Pumula muna tayo, no? Isang araw lang naman, once a day lang naman yun, baby, diba? Kasi naubos na yung suso ko. Naubos na yung gatas ko. Nagigigil pa naman siya pag wala ng laman yung suso ko. So, magpumula muna tayo, okay? Then, you will go to sleep. Antok na yun siya. Antok na ang baby namin. Ang baby ayan na, malaki na ang baby ayan na. Dati maliit lang, baby. Yung tipong nasa taas ka lang. Ngayon malapit mo nang maano. Ang ingay naman ni Mikaela. Ang ingay ng kapitbahay. Sunod, mapupull mo na yung lagayan mo, baby, yung cradle mo. Mapupull mo na yan. Diyan lang siya, relax. Kasi tapos na lang mag-milk. You just finish your milk, diba? You had your milk. That's why you're chillax lang. Chillax lang ikaw, baby. Ha? Chillax lang, baby namin. Ganyan lang. Bless you. God bless you. Another one. God bless us all. Kitty, baby yan. Kitty yan. Dati maliit lang siya, ngayon malaki na.